Welcome back to Luxury Cars. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most important electric vehicles BMW has ever created. The all-new BMW iX3, based on the revolutionary Neue Klasse platform. This isn't just another electric SUV. This is BMW's vision of the future, combining cutting-edge technology, long-range performance, and the premium driving experience the brand is known for. From the very first glance, the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse looks bold, modern, and unmistakably BMW, yet completely reimagined for the electric era. The design is clean and futuristic, with smooth surfaces, sharp lines, and a confident stance that immediately communicates innovation. The iconic kidney grille is still here, but now it's slimmer, more integrated, and fully closed, emphasizing efficiency rather than airflow. It gives the front end a sleek, high-tech appearance that feels fresh without losing BMW's identity. The LED lighting is another standout feature. The headlights are ultra-thin and sharply styled, giving the iX3 a focused and intelligent expression. The daytime running lights create a strong visual signature, especially at night, while the rear LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, making the SUV instantly recognizable from a distance. The proportions are perfectly balanced, with a long wheelbase, short overhangs, and large aerodynamic wheels that enhance both performance and efficiency. Step inside the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse, and you immediately feel how much BMW has pushed the boundaries of interior design. The cabin is minimalist, spacious, and incredibly modern. Everything feels lighter, more open, and more digital than before. BMW has focused heavily on sustainability here, using recycled and eco-friendly materials without sacrificing the premium feel you expect from a luxury brand. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's new digital interface, featuring a wide panoramic display that stretches across the driver's field of vision. Instead of traditional screens stacked on top of each other, the information feels seamlessly integrated into the interior. The graphics are sharp, intuitive, and customizable, allowing the driver to focus on what matters most while driving. The steering wheel is redesigned as well, with a futuristic shape and touch-sensitive controls that feel both modern and intuitive. Comfort is a major highlight inside the iX3. The seats are supportive and luxurious, offering excellent comfort for long drives. There's plenty of legroom and headroom in both the front and rear, making this SUV perfect for families, road trips, or daily commuting. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and openness. Storage and practicality have not been overlooked either. The cargo area is generous, offering enough room for luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. With the rear seats folded down, the X3 becomes even more versatile, easily handling larger loads while maintaining a clean and uncluttered interior design. When it comes to performance, the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse truly shines. Built on BMW's next-generation electric platform, this SUV benefits from a completely new battery and motor technology. BMW has focused on improving efficiency, range, and driving dynamics all at once, and the result is impressive. The electric motor delivers instant torque, providing smooth and powerful acceleration that feels effortless in everyday driving. Whether you're merging onto the highway or navigating city streets, the X3 responds instantly to your inputs. The ride is refined and quiet, yet still engaging, staying true to BMW's reputation for creating vehicles that are enjoyable to drive. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement, improves stability and handling, making corners feel confident and controlled. Range anxiety is becoming a thing of the past with the X3 Neue Klasse. BMW's new battery technology offers a significantly improved driving range, making it suitable for both daily use and long-distance travel. Fast charging capabilities mean you can add a substantial amount of range in a short time, making road trips more convenient than ever. Plug in for a quick charge, grab a coffee, and you're ready to continue your journey. Advanced driver assistance systems play a big role in the iX3 experience. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automated parking, and traffic jam assist make driving easier and safer. BMW's intelligent software continuously learns and adapts, providing a smoother and more confident driving experience over time. Now, let's talk about pricing and value. While official numbers may vary, depending on market and configuration, the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse is expected to be competitively priced within the premium electric SUV segment. It will likely sit above mainstream electric SUVs, but offer exceptional value when you consider the technology, performance, build quality, and brand prestige. BMW's positioning the iX3 as a core model for its electric future, making it an attractive option for buyers looking to transition to electric without compromising on luxury or driving enjoyment. What truly sets the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse apart is how seamlessly it blends innovation with tradition. It doesn't feel like an experimental concept or a futuristic gimmick. Instead, it feels like a natural evolution of what an SUV should be in the electric age. It's practical, stylish, efficient, and enjoyable to drive, all while delivering the premium experience BMW fans expect. For anyone considering an electric SUV that offers advanced technology, strong performance, and a refined interior, the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse deserves serious attention. It represents a major step forward, not just for BMW, but for the entire electric vehicle market. That brings us to the end of today's review. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the BMW iX3 Neue Klasse and want to see more future cars, electric vehicles, and luxury reviews, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Luxury Cars, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.